Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about 6th standard social science, geography, unit 2, land and oceans, part 2. So students, listen carefully. If you have any doubts, make a note of it, which will be clarified on the day of reopening. Students, now let's recall our previous session. In previous session, we have seen about the classification of landforms. The landforms can be classified under three categories. There are the first order landforms, the second order landforms and third order landforms. The first order landforms are continents and oceans. The second order landforms are mountains, plateaus and plains. And third order landforms are valleys, sand dunes and beaches. Students, I hope you cleared with the previous session. Now let's enter into today's session, oceans. Students, when we see the earth from space, it looks blue in color because the 3/4 of the earth is covered by water. So, the earth is known as water planet. The water is found in oceans and seas. Oceans and seas are not same. It is different from each other. First is oceans. Oceans are vast expansion of water, which means a very large expansion of water bodies on the earth's surface are called oceans. Next is seas. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. Students, once again I repeat, oceans are vast expansion of water. Seas are water bodies partially or fully enclosed by land. Students, as you know that the 5 oceans on the earth's surface, there are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth's surface and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. Students, next we can move on to area of oceans. The Pacific Ocean occupies 47% on the earth's surface. Similarly, the Atlantic Ocean occupies 23%, the Indian Ocean occupies 20%, the Southern Ocean occupies 6% and the Arctic Ocean occupies 4%. Students, are you cleared? Now let's see some important terms related to this lesson. First is trench. Trench is the deepest part of the oceans. Students, the trench is the deepest part of the ocean. Next is island. Island means a land surrounded by water on all sides. Students, a land surrounded by water on all sides is known as island. Next is bay. A bay is the broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards. Students, once again I repeat, a broad inlet of the sea where the land curves inwards is known as bay. Next is peninsula, which means a land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Students, as I told before, a land surrounded by water on all sides is known as island. But peninsula means a land surrounded by water on 3 sides. Next is strait. A strait is a narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Once again I repeat, student, a strait is a narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Students, are you cleared? Next we can learn about Pacific Ocean. Students, look at the picture. His name is Ferdinand Magellan. He is the Spanish navigator. Navigator means a person who navigates a ship, aircraft, etc. he named the Pacific Ocean. The meaning of Pacific Ocean is calm or tranquil, which means the peaceful ocean. Students, as you know that the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean on the earth. Not only the largest but also the deepest ocean on the earth's surface. So the Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about one third of the earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometer. Students, the Pacific Ocean is founded by, which means the limit or boundary of the Pacific Ocean, Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. Students, the Pacific Ocean is bounded by Asia, Australia, North America and South America. The Pacific Ocean stretches. Otherwise, the Pacific Ocean is extend from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Students, the Pacific Ocean extends from Arctic Ocean to Southern Ocean. Next, the Bering Strait connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. Students, as I told before, strait means a narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies. Students, look at the map. In this map, the red color line indicates Bering Strait. The Bering Strait connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. Students, next we can move on to some marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Nothing but the edge of the Pacific Ocean. There are the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, the Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea. Students, the Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, the Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea are some important marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Next is some islands located in Pacific Ocean. There are Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, New Zealand and Hawaii. Students, Japan, Philippines, Indonesia, New Zealand and Hawaii are some important islands located in Pacific Ocean. Students, another important point mentioned in this lesson is Mariana Trench. Students, as you know that the trench is the deepest part of the ocean. So, the Mariana Trench is the deepest point located in the Pacific Ocean. Its depth is about 10,994. Students, the Challenger Deep is the deepest point of Earth's ocean with a depth of 10,994 meters, located in the western Pacific Ocean at the southern end part of Mariana Trench. Students, Challenger Deep is located in the western Pacific Ocean at the southern end part of the Mariana Trench. Students, do you know if Mount Everest, which is the highest peak 8,848 meters, was placed into the Mariana Trench, still there would be 2,146 meters of water left. Students, next is Pacific Ring of Fire. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Students, look at the map. In this map, the yellow color dot indicates the volcanoes. The volcanoes are located continuously around the Pacific Ocean, are called the Pacific Ring of Fire. Students, next we are going to study about the Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on Earth. It covers 1/6 of the Earth's total area. and spread for about 85.13 million square kilometer. Then the Atlantic Ocean is founded by, which means the limit of the Atlantic Ocean. North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Students, North America, South America, Europe and Africa are the continents surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean. Like the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean also stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. Students, the Atlantic Ocean also stretches from Arctic Ocean to the Southern Ocean. Students, next we can see about the shape of the Atlantic Ocean. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles the letter S, which means the Atlantic Ocean shape is the letter S. Students, the Strait of Gibraltar is the narrow stretch of water that connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. Students, compared to the other ocean, the Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. Students, do you know the reason behind it? The first reason is the Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean, and the second reason is trade and commerce. Students, next is the deepest point of Atlantic Ocean. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. It has a depth is about 8,600 meter. Students, next we can move on to some important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. Otherwise, the edge of the Atlantic Ocean are the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Mediterranean Sea and the Gulf of Guinea. Students, once again I repeat, the Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Mediterranean Sea and the Gulf of Guinea are the some important marginal seas of the Atlantic Ocean. Next is some important islands found in the Atlantic Ocean. There are St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland and Falkland. Students, St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland and Falkland are the islands located in the Atlantic Ocean. Students, next we are going to study about the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean on the Earth's surface. Students, the first largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean. The second largest ocean is the Atlantic Ocean and the third largest ocean is the Indian Ocean. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after India. The Indian Ocean is the only ocean is named after a country. Students, the Indian Ocean is triangular in shape. It is founded by, otherwise the limit of the Indian Ocean are Africa in the west, Asia in the north and Australia in the east. Students, once again I repeat, Africa, Asia and Australia are the continents surrounded by the Indian Ocean. Students, next is some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. There are Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and Reunion Island. Once again I repeat students, Andaman Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and Reunion Islands are the islands located in the Indian Ocean. Next is Malacca Strait. It connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Students, Malacca Strait is a narrow stretch of water that connects the Indian Ocean with the Pacific Ocean. Next is Polk Strait. The Polk Strait connects the Bay of Bengal and Balk Bay. Students, look at the map. In this map, the Balk Strait, the red colored line indicates the Polk Strait. This Polk Strait connects the Bay of Bengal with the Balk Bay. Students, next we are going to see about marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. There are the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea. Students, the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea are some important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. Next is deepest point of the Indian Ocean. The Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean and its depth is about 7,725 meter. Students, as I told before, Mariana Trench is the deepest point in the Pacific Ocean. The Puerto Rico Trench is the deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean. Now, the Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Are you clear, students? Students, next we can see about channel. A channel is a length of water wider than strait, joining two larger areas of water, especially two seas. Students, do you know 6-degree channel separates Indira Point and Indonesia? Next is the 8-degree channel separates Maldives and Minicoy Islands. Then 9-degree channel separates Lakshadweep Islands and Minicoy Islands, and 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Students, next we are going to study about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. Students, the Antarctica continent is surrounded by the Southern Ocean. It is enclosed by the 60 degree of south latitude. Students, latitude means the imaginary line that drawn horizontally on east to west direction on the earth's surface to find out the location, calculate the distance and time. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. Students, the Southern Ocean is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean. Students, the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean and the Indian Ocean are the three oceans bordered by the Southern Ocean. Students, next we can see about marginal seas of the Southern Ocean. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Sea are some important marginal seas of the Southern Ocean. Students, next is some important islands located in the Southern Ocean. There are Farewell Island, Hearest Island and Bowman Island or some important islands located in the Southern Ocean. Students, water in this ocean is very cold. Most of the time it is covered by sea ice because the extreme climate makes the Southern Ocean one of the coldest and most distant places on earth. So, the Antarctica is known as frozen continents. Students, next is South Sandwich Trench. The deepest point in the Southern Ocean is South Sandwich Trench. Its depth is about 7,235 meter. Students, South Sandwich Trench is the deepest point in the Southern Ocean. Next, we are going to see about the Arctic Ocean. Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. Students, the largest ocean is the Pacific Ocean and the smallest ocean is the Arctic Ocean. It covers an area of 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies with the Arctic Circle. Students, the Arctic Ocean lies with the Arctic Circle. Next is, the North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. Students, the South Pole is found in the continent Antarctica, but the North Pole is found in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. So, the Arctic Ocean remains frozen for most of the year. Students, next is some marginal seas of the Arctic Ocean. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea and the Barents Sea. Students, once again I repeat, the Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea and the Barents Sea are some important marginal seas of the Arctic Ocean. Next is some important islands located in the Arctic Ocean. There are Greenland, New Siberian Island and Novaya Zemlya Island. Students, the Greenland, New Siberian Island and Novaya Zemlya Island are some important islands in the Arctic Ocean. Next is Eurasian Basin. Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. Its depth is about 5,449 meter. The Arctic Ocean deepest point is Eurasian Basins. Students, I hope you understood this class. Now let us see the textbook pages related to today's topic. Today we have seen about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's total area. Then the Bering Strait connects the Pacific Ocean with the Arctic Ocean. The Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea and the Philippine Sea are some of the marginal seas of the Pacific Ocean. Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. Mariana Trench is the deepest point in this ocean. Next is Pacific Ring of Fire. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean is called Pacific Ring of Fire. Students, the Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean Pacific. That's meaning is calm or tranquil. Next we have seen the Atlantic Ocean. It is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers 1/6 of the earth's total area. It is founded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east. Like the Pacific, it stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean is the letter S. Then the Strait of Gibraltar connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Mediterranean Sea. The Atlantic Ocean is the busiest shipping route between the eastern and western hemisphere. The deepest point is the Milwaukee Deep in the Puerto Rico Trench. The Caribbean Sea, the Gulf of Mexico, the North Sea, the Gulf of Guinea and the Mediterranean Sea are some marginal seas of Atlantic Ocean. Next we have seen about the Indian Ocean. It is the third largest ocean on the earth's surface. It is named after India. It is triangular in shape and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north and Australia in the east. The Andaman and Nicobar Island, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius and the Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in the Indian Ocean. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. Next is Palk Strait. It connects the Bay of Bengal and the Palk Bay. The Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf and the Red Sea are some important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean. Then the Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Then we have seen about the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic and the Indian Ocean. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea and the Davis Sea are the marginal seas of this ocean. Farewell Island, Bowman Island and Hearst Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The South Sandwich Trench is the deepest point in this ocean. Next we have seen the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. It lies with the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island and Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. The North Pole is situated in the middle of the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean. Students, now time for evaluation. Here are some evaluation questions. Which ocean is named after a country? Name the continents which surround the Atlantic Ocean. What is the deepest part of the ocean called as? Give the important features of the Pacific Ocean. Write about the importance of ocean. Students, answer these questions in your social notebook. Let us see about the achieving equality in our next class.